Okay, I wanted to take a couple minutes to share with you guys my pool heater solution. And it's actually taking advantage of a cheap Chinese tankless water heater. The one I have here is a TCM T12 Leader model, which works out to, you know, about 3 gallons per minute. That's what it's supposed to do. Yes! You look good, girl. So yeah, I paid $80 for this off of eBay, so extremely cheap. And I just plumbed it in. Now, as you can see, connections are very restrictive, so you're not going to want to run this off of your main filter pump. You don't want to burn anything up. So I have it running off of just a $30 pump I bought off of eBay as well. It does the trick really well. It's a 1/2 horsepower pump, and so the way this tankless water heater works is as soon as it senses water pressure, it kicks on, and then it'll stay on for 20 minutes, and then it'll kick off. So that is where it would be helpful to have it connected to a timer. So underneath this Tupperware, I have the timer right here that I have set to just continuously cycle on for 20 minutes and then off for 30 seconds. So that way, if I'm calling for heat, for several hours, the water heater will continue to operate. You just cut it off for 30 seconds and it resets, and you turn it back on and you're good to go. And then I also have a couple sawn-off smart switches here. The one is the TH10, I believe, and that comes with a probe, or you have to buy it separately, but I have it there running into that hose. There's a temperature probe in there, so I can either turn the heater on and off when I desire, or I can set it to a temperature, and yeah, it'll work like just any other pool heater with a thermostat. That's been very effective. The other sawn-off smart switch I have connected to my filter pump, and I have it on a schedule. It has a timer built into it, but this way I can turn it on and off any other point in the day if I want to backwash or do some other maintenance, and it doesn't throw off the timing of it, because I also have a saltwater generator, chlorine generator, and so they need to be on the same page. So that helps that happen. And then the other main thing I wanted to point out about my water heater is that it uses natural gas. Every other time I've seen somebody using a tankless water heater, they have it connected to a propane, a 20-pound propane tank, and that is very expensive to do with any frequency. I understand if you're going to do it for a weekend or something, but if you're trying to do it for a whole season, that's going to add up really quickly. But I ran just a natural gas line out here from my house. My house is very close, and so it's very cheap. This costs 24 cents an hour to run, electricity and natural gas combined, and I can get a temperature rise of almost 1 degree per hour, more like maybe 0.7 degrees per hour. So it's very effective. So let me demonstrate real fast using the sawn-off app. You can see here I have a pool heater, and I can just flip it on, and then right there. I don't know if that makes out on camera, but it says 36 degrees, 37, 38, 40, and this is Celsius, of course. So yeah, coming from that hose, and then that's the return hose from the heater. Hi. So yeah, comes out right there. And it's about a, I don't know, 45-degree rise. So pretty hot right there. But yeah, that's the basic setup. Let me turn this off again. And there we go. So yeah, I hope that's helpful to some people. Let me know if you have any questions. I'd be glad to answer anything that I can help anybody out with. Thanks for watching.